Hello, I am Mr. Yi. This is the second video about polynomial. This time we're going to talk about what is the arrangement of terms in polynomial. Now we have two polynomials. They have the same terms, but they are arranged in different orders. Are they the same? Before we talk about the arrangement of terms in polynomials, let's look at these two examples. A polynomial that contains only one variable is called a polynomial in one variable. For example, this is a polynomial in y, so y is the only variable in this polynomial. And so, for this one, this is a polynomial in x, so x is the only variable in this polynomial. The terms of a polynomial in one variable are usually arranged in either ascending powers or descending powers of the variable. For example, this is a polynomial in y. The terms are arranged in ascending powers of y. So you see that the powers of y are increasing. Starting from this y, this is y to the power 1, this is y to the power 3, and this is y to the power 4. Another example is a polynomial in x. The terms are arranged in descending powers of x. So you see that the powers of x are decreasing. Starting from this x, it is x to the power 3, x to the power 2, and x to the power 1. Now, the question is, why the constant term, -5, are put before the term 2y? And why the constant term 4 are put after the term 7x? Let's look at the following example to see how we arrange the terms of a polynomial. In this example, we are going to arrange the terms of the polynomial in descending powers of x. In order to arrange the polynomial in descending power, we can first find out the power of x by using a table to list the terms and the power of x. After we find out the power of x for each term, we should arrange the terms now. Because we are going to arrange the terms in descending power, we will start with the term with the highest power of x, that means this term. And then this term, and this one. Finally, this one. So now you will see that the power of x of a constant term is 0. That's why we put this constant term -3 at the last. Now do you understand how to arrange the terms of a polynomial in ascending power or descending power? Let's finish this exercise. This is the answer of the exercise. In case you don't know how the terms are arranged in this order, you can look at these two tables so that you know why the terms are arranged in this order. Sometimes a polynomial may contain more than one variable. In the arrangement of the terms of polynomial with two or more variables, we need to state the variable whose powers are to be ordered. Now, let's look at this polynomial. If we want to arrange the terms in ascending powers of a, that means we just need to focus on the powers of a only. Therefore, this term with a comes first, and the term with a squared comes next, then a cubed, and finally a to the power 4. For the same reason, if we want to arrange the terms in ascending powers of b, that means we just need to focus on the powers of b only. This term with the b comes first, because the power of b for this term is 0. And then the term with b, b squared, and finally b cubed. Now, let's do this exercise. The first question is, arrange the terms of the polynomial in ascending powers of x. So you just need to consider the power of x only. And the second question, arrange the terms of the polynomial in ascending powers of y. So just consider the powers of y only. This is the end of the video. Please finish your p-test.